Hey, is your ZLT T30D router super slow even if it shows a full signal bar? You are not alone. Let me show you how to fix it. What's up everyone, my name is Ola. In today's video, I'll be explaining why your router might be acting slow and what you can do to speed it up. I've been getting a lot of comments in my previous unboxing video of the router. People were complaining like my router is slow, I can't access the internet, it's very slow, it's so annoying. I had to make this video to tackle it and provide a solution how you can speed your slow router up immediately. If you are watching my channel for the very first time, do hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm dropping a tech tutorial videos every week, you will be the very first person to get notified and watch it. Now let's get in right to it. Problem breakdown, and here is the deal. Even if your router has a full signal bar, it doesn't always mean you will have a fast internet. Why? Because of things like this. Number one, network congestion in your area. Number two, your DNS settings not being optimized. Number three, SIM compatibility or 4G band limitations in your area, or even where your router is being placed in your home. And here is the solution. Let me walk you through 3 quick fixes on how you can fix your slow router. Number one, change your DNS settings. Go under settings and locate WAN. WAN means wide area networking, WAN. Under the WAN, locate DNS settings. Tap on it and change your settings to what I'm displaying on the screen. Use these settings. Change your primary DNS settings to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS to 1.1.1.1. These are Google and Cloudflare DNS. They help speed up browsing. Number two, move your router. Avoid corners or under tables. Place it on high surfaces to reduce interference. Number three, check SIM settings. Use an MTN 4G SIM card that is active with a good data plan. You can even try locking the router to band 3, which is 1800 MHz if it's supported. This is more stable in most Nigerian cities. Now the bonus tip. If you are in a densely populated area, try using the router at night or early in the morning when the network is still less congested. I hope this helps you. Let me know in the comment section if you are still having issues or if this worked for you. And if you want more quick fixes and tech solutions like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm dropping a tech tutorial, you'll be the very first person to get notified and get to watch it. Thanks for watching.